This free tutorial will be showing you unlimited cloud storage lifetime online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. The first step for unlimited cloud storage for life or lifetime is to download Telegram. For those who are curious, Telegram, you can send up to 2 gigabytes per file. However, you can send and enjoy unlimited storage here in Telegram completely for free. You can download Telegram directly from the Microsoft or Windows Store, or you can go on their website directly and then just click download Telegram. Search engine or browser, type in Telegram down below, and now once Telegram has been loaded, click the top left hand screen and click new channel, which is above contacts and below new group. You can create a channel of your choice, add a profile picture, a description, and click create. You can even choose to have a public channel or a private channel, and here's the invite link in case you want to share it with anyone else. You can click skip or you can click save. Now you successfully have your Telegram channel. You can drag any videos, pictures, images, or PDF files completely for free. In this case, we're dragging an audio file. As you can see, you have a .mov file. You can add a caption, you can create an emoji, and you can even add more files by clicking add, and you can send it in the Telegram folder or chat.